Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Miro versus ClickUp. Miro serves as a dynamic visual collaboration platform, perfect for brainstorming and diagramming, offering an infinite canvas for creative ideation. Conversely, ClickUp is an all-in-one productivity hub, excelling in comprehensive task management, detailed project planning, and robust team collaboration. While Miro empowers visual thinkers, ClickUp streamlines entire project lifecycles from inception to completion, providing distinct approaches to team productivity. Miro boasts an intuitive visual interface, featuring an infinite canvas and hundreds of pre-built templates for diverse methodologies like agile and lean. It integrates seamlessly with popular video conferencing tools, enhancing remote workshops. ClickUp, on the other hand, offers highly customizable workflows, powerful Gantt charts, and versatile Kanban boards, alongside over 1,000 integrations. Miro shines in creative ideation, while ClickUp provides a robust, flexible framework for managing complex projects. Miro is perfectly suited for design sprints, engaging remote workshops, and dynamic brainstorming sessions, making it ideal for teams focused on visual problem-solving and strategic planning. ClickUp, however, excels in agile project management, software development, and intricate marketing campaigns, serving as a centralized hub for cross-functional team collaboration. If your team prioritizes a dedicated visual workspace for creative output, Miro is your choice. For comprehensive task tracking and detailed reporting, ClickUp is more fitting. Miro offers a free plan with limited boards, and its paid plans typically start around $8 per user per month when billed annually, providing advanced features for growing teams. ClickUp also provides a free forever plan with essential functionalities, with paid options beginning at $7 per user per month when billed annually. Both platforms scale effectively, supporting small teams to large enterprises. Miro offers robust security and administrative controls, while ClickUp delivers enterprise-grade features and dedicated support for extensive organizational needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.